Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to actually be fixing a watercolor painting that I started quite a while ago. I abandoned it because I had played with some other stuff on top of it, like ink tints, stuff like that, and I really lost the nice luminescent quality of the watercolor. It was just too dark, and I didn't want to waste my time trying to save it. And please know that this is typical. Even professional artists have paintings that do not turn out. But I bought some gouache a while ago and I really wanted to play a little more with it, so I thought that I would try to paint over it with some gouache, and that is what I'm sharing with you here. You'll see me going over it quite a few times with lighter layers to bring the color back up to where I wanted it. The gouache that I am using here is the Winsor Newton Designer Gouache, and I'm using colors that are all light fast, so I'll be able to frame the painting and not worry about it fading. And I actually used the gouache quite watery because I loved the way it kind of just melted into the paper. If I would have started the painting with just gouache, I probably would have started with light layers like that and then built up to thicker paint. But I really kind of wanted to gradually build it up and see if I could save the painting. I hope you enjoy this, and just know that you don't have to throw everything out that doesn't turn out. Try another medium on top. You never know where it will take you. You might find a whole new way of painting. I have to say I was really surprised by the outcome, and it was a painting of my daughter's cat and she absolutely loves it, and so now I'm going to mount it onto a piece of board so I can actually seal it and frame it for her as a present. And if you'd like me to videotape that process, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you save your destroyed paintings or paintings that aren't going right with other mediums. I'd love to hear what you use and your process. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. So just a few more highlights and I'm going to call it done. This is my favorite part. It just makes it look so complete. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next one.